I don't think I'll be complaining again about anything car-wise. Because, you know, some days I'm sitting in traffic and I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Why do I have to be in traffic and all that shit, right? And now I'm over here walking on the road that I usually sit in traffic on. But life lesson learned. Let us work with it as it is, you know? Soak up these little moments and memories. My behind, and then I use the sharp shoulder like a road. A good thing I always see how they drive some walk in a bush. So when I tell you about certain little things in Jamaica where just really it disappoint me. Fucking disappoint me, man, because I'm supposed to get a package, right? Knoxford Express. You know, them bus run fairly friggin' regular. And the package was sent off today 1 o'clock, right? I'm sure said that get on a bus. I'm not gonna get it. Maybe not that trip there, but the trip after that. No, brother. For some reason, I fucking screamed out. For some reason, I have to wait until we are tomorrow. When what I was trying to do, seeing that I have my car, I try to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Right? This is what pisses me off about some simple things in Jamaica where it just don't make no sense. And would that be with like public companies or private companies? It's fucking nonsense. Like, why the package we get sent out from today I gotta take 24 hours to get to me when me in an island and a bus run every freaking goddamn, maybe like what, every 2.5 hours them send off a bus or some shit. Now I have to go come back on the road tomorrow, waste some more money for come freaking pick up a package when I could have get from today. Fuck! Because sometimes I have to let it out. I want people. Why me laugh? Me don't know. Anyways, we're gonna start off with the sauce. Cause me I try pencil out the time in a home, want everything to work out, and I think some of just make the sauce from now and then get into the toasting of the bread, frying of the chicken, also with some fries. So I'm gonna do that. Sauce time. Boom. It's got a, why do you have a light on, bro? Turn on the stove and put it on low heat. Would I say about 2 or maybe 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Let's go and do that. 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. Yeah. 1 tablespoon of ketchup. 3 tablespoons of sugar. And then we are gonna add in 1 clove of garlic and some ginger chop up fine. I don't know like how you are gonna quantify them, I think. And all of this are low heat, you know. Remember, you know, low heat. And you just go and stir that, you know. You understand? This will give you enough for coat 1 of the chicken breasts, maybe even 2. It all depends on your style of coating. Get some heat for about like a next minute. You see, start bubble. What you want to do now, you want to crank up the heat. Crank it up. Yes. If you smell what go on, garlic and the ginger work. Boom. And just like that, the sauce ready. So the sauce there. I'm not even have to ask no question. The sauce here, bad pan wings. I never try pan wings yet, and I tell you now. So if you don't want to try it, of course you don't have to adjust the proportions based on whatever you want to do. But the sauce here, bad pan wings. I tell you that. I feel like I'm going to just make some wings with. Might just make some wings with them, I might just. But you know? Yeah. So what we're going to do now, I wash out that pot, I need if you do some frying. I don't know if for the fries I go fry night or for the chicken, but you know, we need it. So that's why I make the sauce from now. So the sauce there so and saucy, beautiful. Kind of have like this nice like a glisten to it, look like what that candy they name Jolly Rancher. Nice like a glisten, you understand? When you pick a sweet sap off a tree out in a yard there, so you know, it look like it was almost touch them across here, you know. People, you know, say one word in there, but as a God up in heaven, it a get mashed down, see me. I don't even business. I mean, say no poison. Big idiot. Fly. Probably worst thing this one we could have started, you know. God damn flying and no sense. Yo people, is it ginger? It's an excellent thing. Excellent thing. I don't know what I just say. If you put pan meat, I figure that out. And it goes well with sweet sauces. And it enhances spicy foods. Ginger in itself is not really spicy, but you do get a little tingle when I eat ginger products. And it look like lime, but it also have this lemon fragrance. I don't know if me alone pick out them thing there. Huh? For mine was alone sensitive them way there. But ginger have a lemon fragrance to it. Lime, lemon, whichever one you want. I don't know if they are family members, because they look nothing like each other. I go to have a lime and lemon resemble them one another. And come from the citrus family. Ginger beer underground. And I think it would have been more related to like turmeric. This is me speculating, because remember they say banana is a berry. So ginger could just well be a member of the lime family. Could very well be a member of the citrus family. I really dislike flies. The very first step of our cooking process will be to toast our bread. Actually, allow me to tell you, I'm going to prepare the ingredients for butter up the chicken. Then toast our bread. Christmas, Christmas time is here. Time for joy and time for cheer. We've been good, but we can't last. Hurry Christmas, hurry past. Want a plane that loops the loop. Man, I want a hula hoop. We can hardly stand the wait. Please, Christmas, don't be late. Alright, so we have our seasoned flour, we have water, and then we have the chicken. The chicken is going to go from where it's at now, which is our homemade buttermilk, into the seasoned flour, into the water, back into the seasoned flour, to the pot. When we use season this, basically seasonings when we have in my kitchen, and you can use what is in your kitchen, whatever you prefer. We have salt, black pepper, onion and garlic powder, some orange seasoning. I do not know what that orange seasoning is. And then we have some more cayenne powder seasoning. So all this time I have all this white sitting by my mouth and nobody couldn't say nothing. And the thing we I eat earlier, the sweet sauce. Anyways, boom. Today we're not using a Gaza bread. What the fuck? Not using a Gaza bread today, we are going with some regular hamburger breads. I don't eat it. This I look like the brioche style, and I do like the brioche style. I remember I said the KFC thing of brioche, so this a brioche to me, yeah? Honestly, they said that bread is supposed to expire from the must be the 11th. But today is the 16th, and I not see no ginger yet. So guess what? I'm still gonna have it. So what I'm gonna do now, I toast up my bread. Bread at toast, you know what I mean? We just wanted to get like a nice little golden crust, So it's a low heated upon right now. I crank up the heat like a bit just to kind of toast it up faster. And after I toast, we just set it aside. And then we get to preparing our chicken and our fries. Alright? Love. Soak your peanuts them, you see me if you get rid of the red. And they taste so much more delicious. It's a nice like a snack. A little I got food I use. I'm a feel kind of package and everything. Bread, it's addicting and fun to eat. What the fuck is going on, bro? Oh, yeah. Fly. Bill. Yup, have a day. Remember me tell you. Alright, I start smell the bread now, so that means it's the right time to take it off. Learn them tips and tricks there. When your bread are toast and you start smelling, time to take it off. So we bread the people. Yo, fly, you got dead! Nice and toasted, what me say? They are the right type of toast, we have to cover it down with this. And cover up that goddamn fly across it. Let's get it going. This is our chicken that we had in the homemade buttermilk for about 2 days now, so all that flavor is in there, bro. We're gonna drain this off. We're just dripping. Alright, that's enough dripping. I think we can go in, Boom. I will flour that up. Just flour that up, yeah? I'm gonna get my colander, aka strainer. I don't know if they maybe a different setting, but I see him function, they perform. Shake off the excess, I will drop it in. This could I just go in a pot, see him saying, okay, you see you have on the flakes them already? But KFC said them triple bread. I not triple bread this. Double works quite well for we. 2 times and we're good. As you see, look a ball them farm on it already, you understand? Yeah, what I'm gonna do now is crank up the heat. See? It have a little flakes them farm already. Drip off the excess. Boof. Grab them man with us do so, you understand? So I'm double breaded. You know, so I don't feel like I want to dash with that thing, because maybe I might use it later for dinner. So I'm going to put it in the fridge. And when I say use it for dinner, obviously you don't know I'm going to make another sandwich. Ready. Yo, fly. Don't make me have nothing, brother. Left. Move for me some dirty crosses. And they always choose to come around when man hand occupied with other things, you know. Shake off all the excess. Just lay him in there. And that's it. Boom. I will turn down the heat now. And that have to stay in this for about 6 minutes. So we fries them to 3 minutes on medium heat. And then we take them out, make the oil relax a little bit. Then we go back in for high heat for 3 more minutes. Because we double fry our fries. What I say we do? We double fry our fries. Now point no finger, I'm not call no name. 3 minutes. I will flip. Oh, look at all those flakes. Look at those beautiful flakes. Let me see when I can see it. No, look on the flakes then. I'm gonna flip here now. 3 more minutes and I will that. Kind of hard to flip it on master. Alright, there we go. There we go. And just like that, people, 6 minutes. Our chicken is done, brother. I'm not gonna get a little view of chicken done. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I'm gonna make it rest. Fries them I go back in, you know. This time with the oil, I go dip on high. You understand? After 30 seconds, I can jump, make them fly back in the pot. Back into the oil. 3 to 4 minutes. It's supposed to be nice and crispy. I'll just wash that here. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, so we're gonna start assembly with sandwich. Find the head and the tail. First thing we are going with mayonnaise and lots of it. Busting out beer shots. Mayonnaise on the top, mayonnaise on the base. Hey, honestly, me that try make that look a little nice, but I'll be a violation the mayonnaise buckle I go on with, but not too sweat about that. Then we are going in with the homemade pickles. I'll do a show some cucumber and so salt and something, you know, salt and sugar. But for them, I see them put 3, you know. 3 can't hold for me, you understand? I'm going to try and make it work though. Boom. 3 that. Then we are going to go over here so with the chicken. So beautiful chicken there. But we can't forget the sauce, man. See chicken then nice and beautiful. We are going to sauce him up here now. And we just sauce him up with the brush, you understand? But when we finish up this and then I think we fries them a bit now. Yeah, we fries them nice and golden. Alright, with our chicken nicely sauced you know, we just going to put it on, you understand? And we rest it right there. Take it and we rest it right there. That's it. Oh, jeez! God damn it, that sauce is looking more mayo. You know what I think, Kevin, why you put that so much mayo? I don't like mayo! If you don't like mayo, it's alright. But I'm sure you what I go on, you know, close up time. Now look at that. Now people, look on that. Let me just slowly zoom. Yeah, so we got our homemade pickles. That beautiful sauced up chicken. It's like K2K version. We not even put on the boss cap yet, but we will put on the cap and see what in dip on. Got the beautiful right here. I'm not putting the salt on them yet. Our double fried fries. Sturdy. Crunchy. Lovely. My God, man. Alright. I can put on in cap here now. Come put on in your cap. Come. Jeez. Look at that. No, look at it. Look at it, man. Alright, the time for we're gonna mash down this here now. Fly? Yeah, run in on the screen. Don't touch my sandwich, bro. Tell me why the hell it takes so long to eat the sandwich. Then they say take picture. Fry them still nice. But they're still nice. They're not as hot, but they're still nice. Oh, no, they're lovely. Properly salted, double fried! But this is what we're here for, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh. All type of spillage are going. Come, focus. Focus on that. Oh, all type of drippings, man. All type of drippings. Well, let's go in. This is gonna be... Come on, camera, focus. Now it's not the time to be out of focus, you understand? get out of here, bro. Get out of here, man. And then I moved to wipe up the ground, so I drove by a table for his spillage get. All that. Oh, this is a messy sandwich, but it is delicious. You see the ginger in the sauce? I'm telling the people it take it to another level. This is my version. Before we even go any further, which one of them bother? I know part of them they don't put sauce, but I say, yo, sauce, I look on the thing, brother. It's messy, but tasty. I gotta get it like a napkin or something. I'll be right back. You know what I'm gonna say? No, Kevin, that's too much mayo. Trust me, just put that the amount of mayo on it. Z, no worry about it. Live. Man. And the fries them. You not here? Look, they're not droopy and dead. I'm telling you, them size fries here for double fry. Hear me out, no man. Oh my God, they are so delicious. But back to the sandwich. As you know, there's some white as well, I'm going to close up. It's messy, you know, people. It's messy, but delicious. Look on that breast meat there. I told me I have to use all it, do the whole of camera activity and them something there. And the pickle, blood stain. A good thing we make enough of them. So I have pickle for use now for sandwich. And you know, the longer it stay, the better it got taste. Don't be falling on me. All that freaking mayo. The mayo works excellently with a spicy sandwich of this sort. Now, I don't know if a KFC wants spicy, but like Master Bear, come on. We can't live out the spice. Now, the fries them. Eat something like this, you're supposed to go build. You're supposed to just build back. Blood stain. The ginger sauce, yeah? It's going to be something we use more often. I feel like the next thing I'm going to try upon are some wings. My mind just tell me say I got bad pan some wings. It's juicy. Zin? Juicy. Oh my God. Oh, who made pickle them? Everything is just as I was saying, everything is just working in harmony. Whenever I hear one choir we sing just lovely yet, everything just connect, every note just, it make you have goosebumps. That's how the sandwich make me feel. Let me know in the comments who for sandwich bother. I try going a little close up before the camera and then kind of go and try to violate the link. There we go. Look on all that beautiful breast meat. Just the flavor they right through the breast. I say, you know, like when you eat breast meat sometime and it just dry and you not taste like the salt within the breast. It's just fresh. Another one, yeah. I say, even if you eat that, you cook all that flavor them with the roni to hide it so well. If you're not going to make it, someone probably want to put in a lettuce pan and then a tomato and the cheese. And that's a funny thing, but they want to keep it as simple as possible. Just like how KFC do for them thing without not too much additions. Just mayo, pickle, the meat, the bread. All me add are just some sauce, brother. And lots more mayo. Homemade pickle, blood stain. Fries with double fry. I never Gaza bread. Gaza bread, big up yourself, you know, I forget about you, know. Look at them. Oh my God. This is all the drippage and spillage we're going from the sandwich, you know. Biggie, that's why you don't get none. Move! That was delicious. That was delicious. Jeez. I think I'm going to put it in a way. Our stories are, I put in our shots, the one that we did make first. You never had no pickle, I just bread with mayo. And the sauce on the chicken, it was nice. We're not going to see that shot there. If you can, people, try this. breast meat, me kind of cut it. You know, so the breast meat come like a teardrop, right? So when me cut it like a, what is that, a rhombus? I thought the square were kind of leanish, so me cut it so that they have that shape there. Let me know in that comment section who for bother. No, come in, me sure some I want winning, but you see, more to the make they know. Goddamn delicious, man. I mean, I guess in a way, if you look on it, you'd probably say it's a barbecue zinger, but I don't really want barbecue zinger. Like me say, me never really want the cheese and the tomato and all them something. Maybe for another time, but that time I just want to keep it to as close as possible to the KFC sandwich. And that's the whole inspiration for really me making it. Because the KFC one, I say, yo, maybe it's a limited time offer and it probably soon gone. I mean, I got my car and then I wouldn't get to try, but I end up get to try and, you know, I just feel like my own bother. I think I'm confident in my thing, yo. People say I'm going to open a restaurant. I don't want to go as far as a restaurant. I just want something simple and maybe like a food truck. That's what I would do. Not a restaurant, food truck. So something we can move around and some simple, quick things I prepare when I take forever. People can get them food and bunks and it tastes good and them happy. That's it. That's what I do if I go into the food business. Food cart, food truck. Until the next video, people, I go up on the road now to collect a package and then come back home. But I don't know if I vlog this. Blood steel. Sandwich by the frig.